Amy. Amy, can I have my mat back, please? Thank you.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder?
Hello. Thanks for coming to my channel, and today I want to talk to you about challenges. As you can see back here, I'm in the middle of a move, so don't look over there. Just look right here. Okay. Well, today I just wanted to talk to you about some challenges, and one of the ways that we can move through challenges, of course, is doing challenging poses or starting to and progressing through them. Today we're going to do inversions, which I don't do very often because of how challenging they can be, even though the ones that I picked are pretty much standards in classes, and I kind of like them. But as you get older, things happen, and as your body changes, it's harder to do them. So I'm going to let you see or hear the chatter that's going on in my brain while attempting these poses, and kind of how I push through them. The first one that you're going to see me do is, we're going to see me do a couple things. I'm going to do crow, and then we're going to do shoulder stand. And then I'm going to attempt them again. And I'm going to keep going until I get to a place where I'm comfortable with where I am in the pose. Not necessarily what the pose, like the peak of the pose, or what Iyengar looks like when he's in the poses, or anyone else. That's what we have to do. So I invite you to come on this journey with me into some imperfect inversions. Okay. Whew. These inversions, they can be a little challenging. I'm going to say a little bit of a prayer while I have my hands on my chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. And if there's any bit of a challenge, it might be because I'm not really warming up like I should. I think that's what Amy's trying to tell me. I'm down in Uttasana, head low, talking to the dog, getting down there, and thinking about doing a downward dog, but decide not to. Trying to see how I can do, how good am I at this pose that I haven't done in a really long time. With my knees up on my biceps, well, they're really on my elbows. I'm going to look forward, and I got one. Oh, okay. I should be happy with that, and I should have stopped. But I'm thinking, can I hold it for 5 seconds? Can I hold it for 2? So I'm going to keep trying, and I'm kind of rocking into it. I'm trying to keep my fingers out, and I'm going to try again. I'm going to try to walk into the pose this time. I'm going to exhale and bring my hands down. This is hands on my hipasana, I guess. I'm doing great. All right. We are going to, there we go. Arms down, tiptoe on my toes, try to walk into my arms, and I'm very concentrated on the floor, so I can only imagine what's getting ready to happen. One foot up, bottom is super high. Yep, maybe tomorrow, maybe another time. All right, breath, walk. What's that on the calendar? Back. Okay, one more time. All right, let's do it together, everyone. And that's why I wanted to do yoga with you, not necessarily for you, just so we can go on this journey together. All right, I think I've decided shoulder stand, folks. And I'm not even going to roll. I think I'm just going to bring my hands there and bob it up. There I am. All the way Not really. And I'm not really heavy. I think I'm just thinking of other things. Like, what's the dog doing? Should I put the dog out of the camera? So I haven't really made up my mind about how high my feet are going to go. What are we doing here? Oh, I think she's trying to tell me to give it up. I'm trying to convince her to give it up. So, there you go. All right. Okay, one more time. Here I go. All right. I'm going to stretch out because I noticed that my hamstrings and my glutes are really tight. And I should have done an entire warm-up instead of just busting into this pose. So I'm trying it. I got my hips off the ground. I'm trying to adjust my shoulders. And what are we doing? Oh, we're just still stretching. So, I have one foot on a knee, and then I put my arm through the hole, put my arm around the other thigh so that I can stretch out, do another good stretch, and I'm alternating. And I'm going to do that until we finally get to a place where I feel confident in shoulder stand. Okay, I'm back. And we're going to try this again. I'm going to give myself a couple of neck rolls. And even as I'm thinking, okay, we're just going to do shoulder stand. We're just going to do shoulder stand. You'll see what's getting ready to happen. Rolling out. Inhale, arms up. Not really squeeze the buttocks. And into a back bend. Exhale, arms down. But I'm just not committed to a full workout, as you can see. I want to see what I can do. I'll do it again, turn, so that you guys can all see me. Inhale, arms up, and then exhale down. Okay, holding at Uttasana, and hands on chins, look up. Exhale back down. Am I going to do a downward dog? I'm really tight. So I start on my knees, put my toes in the mat, push off with my hands, and just trying to get my hips as high as I know they can. And I am so tight that I can't release my heels like I normally would. And yes, there is a modification for that, but that's not the pose I'm trying to get into. So I'm just moving on. Here we go. Tippy toeing. Trying to... Oh, I changed my mind. Crow. Let's try it one more time. I'm squeezing my knees onto my biceps there. And bam! Crash. Should I try again? I'm looking away. looking away, looking away. All right, okay, here we go. One more time. And this is the progress of inversions, right? Don't give up on them. Don't look at people and think that, wow, they've really got it. Your inversion is going to look way different than the next person's inversion. Maybe not. Maybe it's going to look exactly like the people on YouTube. I don't know. But this is what mine looks like. Me practicing. My bottom's really in the air. I'm not really rounding my back, but I'm just going to try again. I think that was the final no for me. And we're going back into the back bend. This time I'm doing a little more. Yay me. I tried. All right, here we go. I'm going to start rocking back and forth. And I'm going to rock into, I think on the third one, rock into shoulder stand. This time I'm a little straighter than before, but I am trying to get down there and with the tight hamstrings. And there's some other body issues that I really can't help, like big, large bosom and my belly. And I know if I got my bottom higher, I could get down there. But I'm kind of happy doing what I'm doing, and I feel good in it. So I'm gonna take it for the win, and we'll just keep progressing and working on it. I'm not ashamed of it. It's good. Got a lot of stuff going on. Moving boxes. I deserve a shavasana. Put my hands on my belly. I'm thinking I might splay my knees out. But it actually feels a lot better just putting my feet down straight. Just releasing into a really nice rest. I did something today, and I feel good about it. And I'll try again tomorrow.